Hi, welcome. Don't know if you guys have been experiencing leaky roofs on your MR2 Roadsters. If you have, and you've been getting water build up in the little storage areas behind the seats, then this may help. I've already done this side. So basically what you do, you have to remove the air vent intake. You've got 3 pop rivets down the side there, I think that's what they're called. But I went in with the plastic tools down the side and then literally just pulled that off to get access, but I'll show you from the other side. Let's go around. So once you get it off, I think these meant to come out because it is a nightmare trying to put it back in. These need to slide into the air intake, so you've got the cutouts. You can see that it's angled. There's no way you can press them in, they need to be slid in and then pushed back into the panel. But that's when you put it back together. But the reason why you're probably getting water in the back of the storage areas is this. I don't know if you can see it. It's a little, let's put the, oh yeah, you can see it there. So you can see that gets blocked. Lift up the flap and that in there gets blocked with dirt. I've just cleaned that. Might be good to get a hoover on it just to suck all the dirt out of it, and hopefully this will stop the water build up coming through and then going behind in them little storage areas. So clean it up and then put your panel back on. So obviously that goes back in, but I'm going to have to take these out and then put them in and then pop it all back in and put it back together. So I hope it helps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.